Hey boys and girls, we have been talking about plants and I'm going to show you how big our flower has gotten. But we've been talking about plants, we talked about the roots, the seed, the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the blossom is the flower. So we got this little poem, say parts of the plant, and it goes like this. And I'm going to point to each part it's talking about. And the tune go like the wheels on the bus go round and round. Okay. The roots on the plant grows underground. Okay. Now, this is the roots. And this is under the ground. Because right here is on the top of the ground where you see the ladybug at. So where we planted the seed was under the ground. So here go the roots. Okay. So that's the roots here. Okay. The roots on the plant grows underground, underground, underground. The roots on the plant grows underground. Roots are part of the plant. Okay, that's part of the plant. Okay, the stem on the plant holds up the leaves. This is the stem. Stem of the plant holds up the leaves. Okay, let's go. The stems on the plant holds up the leaves, up the leaves. Up the leaves. The stems on the plant hold up the leaves. Stems are a part of the plant. Okay, so we did the root. Now we did the stem. Let's do what's next. The leaves. The leaves on the plants are making food, making food, making food. The leaves on the plant are making food. Leaves are part of the plant. Okay, this is your leaves. Okay, so we got the root, we have the stem, and the leaves. Okay, let's see what's next. The flowers on the plants are growing seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers on the plant are growing seeds. Flowers are part of the plant. Okay, so this is the plant. And you see the seeds right here? Okay, so let's review. We have the what? The roots. We have the stem, the leaves, and the what? Flower. Okay. So the root helps the what? The flower to grow because it makes sure that it gets water and nutrients. So the roots feed the stem feed the what? Leaves, and the leaves produce and feed what? The flower, and the flower makes seeds. And that's part of your what? Plant. Okay, let's start. The roots on the plant grows underground, underground, underground. The roots on the plant grows underground. Roots are part of the plant. What's next? Stem. The stem on the plant holds up the leaves, holds up the leaves, holds up the leaves. The stems on the plant holds up the leaves. Stems are part of the plant. Next we go to what? The leaves. The leaves on the plant are making food, making food, making food. The leaves on the plant are making food. Leaves are part of the plant. Okay, next is what? The flower. The flower on the plant are growing seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers on the plant are growing seeds. Flowers are part of the plant. Okay, so you learned how many parts? 4. The roots, number 1. The stem, number 2. The leaves, number 3. And the flower, number what? 4. Okay, so we got the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. You have 4. And all of them come in what? Sequence. Okay, first we have to have what? Number 1, the root. Number 2, the stem. Number 3, the leaves. Number 4, the flower. So all of them come in what? Sequence. Like we was talking about earlier today about when we was eating the apple. What came first? So that's just like this. It's in sequence. You got the root, stem, leaves, and the flower. Okay? Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll be right back to read you a story.